Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Luget and today is September 1st, 2018. We are on the Jim Calhoun Way utility replacement project. This is our third and final video of the series and we're going to be taking you through the progress today. Let's begin with our pre-construction photograph taken in May just before graduation to capture the existing conditions of Jim Calhoun Way and Hillside Road. This one shot does it both. And it's worth mentioning that Hillside Road had quite the utility project also, with a water service, a steam tie-in to Burton, and an electrical service into the vault just outside of the museum. And here we are in July, middle of the construction process. We always want to focus on the lower right-hand side, our vault A7, and that's where the steam lines are going to go. And we're going to talk in the finished video clip exactly where they were. Great way to capture where they were installed. We look down and we see the piles in the center of the screen lined up. Just to the left of that was where the steam line is located today. It's great to remember this 30-foot dig, this cut back at Gamble on the right-hand side, and the steel plate on the left-hand side where the lines went into Gamble. And finally, the location of the chilled water valves. We move up to Gamble, outside of the chiller room. We're looking down at our temporary chiller was being installed at this time. And finally, the cut in the road exactly where the chilled water lines are run. And now we move to August 21st. Wow, how bright this intersection is now. The new patio over to Gamble. We're going to walk on that shortly. The bright line striping against the dark blacktop. How bright that is. There's the new patio over to the co-op. And finally, we're moving over to that location where I just told you where all the chilled water valves are at our D-mark location. And finally, we're swinging back in the opposite direction. Fantastic. Parking spots on the left-hand side next to Gamble are installed. The new crosswalks at the intersection. The students are really going to enjoy this. It's going to be a much easier way to travel. We're going to start our boots on the ground right on top. This is Steam Vault A7. Our two access ports that we used in reference in our previous videos. One here and one over here. And we're going to start here first to show you the marvelous finish work that's happened since our last video, and second to walk the way the steam lines were installed now that it's finished. So from this vault we came out perpendicular. We go back through our videos, right? We were down about in through here. We came almost to the center of the road line here. Then we had a 90-degree bend this way, and then we went actually right underneath the entrance to the patio section right in through there. That's where the steam lines went, underneath this section right in through. Let's take a minute and turn back the other way. This was all tore up. All the existing curbs were put back in through here, pavers. We had to remove the light pole to be able to get the work down in. We can see a little bit of the color difference in the walks. This walk was replaced. This walk was replaced right in through here. This walk is going to be temporarily, but it's new concrete for right now through here. As we continue across our new crosswalk in through here, the gas valves you see right in through here. Okay, the steam lines, as I said, came down in through here, right? Then they turned back up. This is where we had to cross all of our water lines. Come in through a weekend, we had to drop these water lines down in through here to be able to connect the new steam lines. Okay, and we're going to look back over through it this way here. As I mentioned, they came across this way, this way. Our 90 was in here somewheres. This was the water lines that they crossed, and then the steam lines ran right down this way, right in through here. Our chilled water tie-ins, and we'll walk a little bit closer. We're more onto this side, over and through here. Fantastic. All this patio was replaced in through here. All right, it was a combination of putting back the existing curbway and some new curbway in here. But a nice patio in through here. Nice job they did. Right over in here, this curbway was replaced down in through this section over in here. But what a great job. So this project was completed early, finished on time, successful opening for the students to come in. All right, The landscaping was put back in. We talked about this. This retaining wall had to be removed, okay? This is brand new right in through here. All right, we still got some caulking that has to go on the joints. The areaway that we used in reference, and we're going to show you inside where the steam and the PRV stations are over and through here. And then finally our tie-in point where the new steam lines came in, just about this location right in through here. And finally steam lines from Gamble to come out, cross over through in here and service the co-op. This was the area we had to cross over in the section where we had the metal plates in order to be able to keep the sidewalk open. Fantastic. All right, the location where the chilled water lines came out, tied into new into existing down in through here, okay? And then from this point on, it's all new, all the way down in through here. To explain this process, so this is the existing line that comes from the central utility plant that fed down in through here, and now it's now tied into the new service that comes up and goes into the chiller at Gamble. So fantastic. We have two ways now to feed the co-op. One from Gamble that comes down in through here, all right, and then the second would be from the central utility plant over through the School of Business over and through here. We've taken this pathway before. We're in the parking garage, stair tower, entering the bookstore. This is the way our traffic pattern was for construction. Okay, we've got the floors been replaced here. Fantastic. This is where the whole floor was removed for the piping system to get into the mechanical room over in here. Fantastic. Really a good match on the flooring in through here. The temporary partitions have all been removed in this space. Back to normal. We'll flip back around and look the other way. Nice job on the contract. Take a quick peek in the mechanical room here. We can see where the slab was removed previously for the new steam lines to come in. There they are, all insulated, tagged, medium, low pressure condensate, medium pressure steam right in through here coming up through the floor. Very nice. Hot water heater put back to where it was beforehand. Some new equipment in this area for the condensate receiver right in through this section right in here. Nice job by the contractor. All right, very nice. Down Jim Calhoun Way, our demarc location, we can see where the new paving ties into the existing. These valves in here, and this is where it all happens. This is where the chilled water line comes down from the new chiller. That's the cooling towers, what we see up there, the louvers on the side. These are all the valves that collect the tie-in going this way. Chiller room, our two York chillers right through here. This is where we're picking up the chilled water service. Main reason on the project, the two new lines we see up over here on the top. Space is a premium down in here. They were run over this large ductwork. These were existing pipes over and through here. Okay, this work fleet down here are two pumps. Space was a premium. Here they are over here in the corner. All right, this pump is running. We can see it about 100 psi right now. Great job on the insulation. And we have a plastic jacket to protect it. We have our valve tags installed. This identifies each one of the valves, the chilled water valve 16. Okay, they'll go on our as-built drawings and on a valve chart in the mechanical room for the mechanics in the future. Nice work. Example, mechanical room. We showed you on the outside where the steam lines came in. Okay, now we're going to take you to the inside. But first, our reference point here. Okay, this is this area well. This airway that we talked about, the screen we showed you from the outside, and our reference right through here. We're going to come back onto the inside. Come out of the airway, point of reference, just as we mentioned on the outside, is where our service lines come in. This is our massive brand new PRV station, okay, and that's because we take the medium pressure steam from outside on the street, and then it gets knocked down, okay, to low pressure steam that you see right over in here. The house, most of the house equipment is run on the low pressure steam. Very nice job. We were able to reuse the existing condensate pump here. We're very excited because we now have a way for the condensate to get pumped back to the central utility plant. Eliminates the need for makeup water. Now it's very finished. Nice. Look at how fantastic. Blacktop, new painted lines, very professional. New walks
Let's take a quick peek in here and see the new pipes. Okay, still got some equipment stored in here. It's always hard to find a spot, perfect spot to store the ladders. What a nice job on the insulation here. Okay, metal jackets, exterior jackets in through here. Identification. Okay, plastic on the elbows in through here. All the valve tags installed. Right, sometimes they make a box when it's hard to get just the standard insulation on it in through here. Very nice job. Back down in through here. This was the existing pipes down in through here, insulated nicely. Great job. Okay, there is chilled water running through these lines as we speak. New chilled water lines down to the corner. New curbs in through here. New walks in here. Very nice. Okay, we get new utilities. We get new improvements through here. Great job. Great job.
Again, today was September 1st, 2018, and we thank you for your interest in our university project. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.